is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Behind me is my salvage C6 Corvette that we just sort of finished wide bodying. It still has some transition pieces it's missing. That's why it looks so ridiculous from the front. But in this episode, we are installing one of my favorite taillights for these cars. They're called the Morimoto something. I'll have a link in the description and the title. But I'll show you guys what they look like. So here they are. Usually they come, I went with the clear ones. Usually right here there's a reflector, but I've actually blacked this part out myself just because I think it looks better with the black car, which is filthy right now. But we're gonna go ahead and go install them. These are probably the easiest taillights on any car to install. You literally just clip in one screw and plug and play, and we're in. So I'm gonna show you guys kind of a before and after and give my honest review. Let's go. Here's the difference. Here's the old ones, here's the new ones. The LED supposed to be a lot brighter. Let's actually turn on the car and release the headlights and see what it looks like. So in the daylight you can't really see much, but both of them are on right now. You can barely even see anything on the other side. Let me show you guys the turn signals and the brake lights. They're usually error free, but I actually have LEDs in the front, which is causing this error right here. The diffusers didn't work, but yeah, this is what they look like before and after. All right, this side done. It took about 2 minutes. I think that one's gonna be even faster. So let's go take those out, install them. I'll show you guys the final product. Alright guys, you saw the final product. If you guys follow my channel, you're going to see a lot more of this car to see what these taillights are going to look like on the car. But so far I'm super glad. These are by far, like I said, my favorite ones. I think they look great, especially on black cars. But if you want the red ones, they also have red ones instead if you don't like the kind of clear look. Again, I would only put the clear look on the black car or the white car. But yeah, there's going to be links in the description down below if you're interested in these taillights. I give them an A+. I think they look great. I've done a lot of research about them, and these are like by far everyone's favorites. I'm so glad to have them on my car. So yeah, you guys stay tuned for the full completion of this car, this build. We're going to start doing engine mods and fully completing the wide body. If you're interested in that content, feel free to subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.